If you have ever wondered what Forex trading is all about but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. I am going to break down Forex trading step by step for beginners so you can dive in with confidence. Ready? Let's jump in. So let's go over the first point. What is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. And here's the kicker. It is the biggest financial market in the world. We are talking about $6.6 trillion traded daily. Sounds exciting, right? Alright. In simple terms, you are buying one currency while selling the other. For example, if you think the US dollar is going to get stronger than the euro, you buy US dollar and sell euro. Now let's go over the second point. How Forex trading works. All about trading currency pairs like Euro USD or GBP JPY. You are always trading one currency against another. You make money when the currency you bought increases in value compared to the one you sold. Therefore, a currency pair like, let's say, Euro USD, if you are buying that pair, therefore you are buying euro, you are automatically selling USD. If you are selling that pair, you are selling euro and you're automatically buying USD. So if your prediction is correct, then you will make money. But if your prediction is wrong, you will lose money. In other words, if you buy the market which is expected to rise and it drops, you've lost money. And if you sell it which is expected to drop and it rises, you've lost money. Here's the magic. Small price changes in these pairs can add up to significant gains or losses. That's why knowing how to read these price movements called pips is so important. Now let's go over the third point. Key terms you need to know. Okay, let's quickly go over some key terms that you will actually come across in Forex trading. First up, pips. A pip is the smallest price move that can happen in a currency pair. Next, leverage. This is where things get fun and risky. Leverage allows you to control large positions with a small amount of money, but it also amplifies your potential losses. I think you should rewatch, you should listen to that again. Let's go over the fourth point. We're making this video very quick and demure, very smooth. Okay, so if you're enjoying this content, kindly smash that like button and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my videos. I upload educational videos every day. Now let's go over the fourth point. Getting started with your first trade. Ready to place your first trade? Start by opening a demo account. This is like a practice mode. Choose a reliable broker, load up your account and test your strategies without risking real money. You can trade live when you are ready. Okay? Listen to that again. Many platforms allow you to trade right from your phone or computer, so it's never been easier to get started. Good, now let's go over the fifth point, risk management. The secret to staying in the game. Now, manage your risk. That is the golden rule. The golden rule is to manage your risk. Always use stop loss orders to protect yourself from big losses. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. Okay, I think this is the most important part of this whole video, so you should really take that point, write it somewhere. If you're a beginner, it is very important, trust me. It is easy to get carried away with big dreams of profit, but smart traders know the key to long-term success. It's protecting your capital. And there you have it, the basics of Forex trading for beginners. Now it's your turn to dive in, experiment and start learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you do not miss on our next deep dive into trading strategies. Let's make 2024 a year for you to become a confident trader. This might not be the most in-depth or detailed video. However, I have videos on that. I have like full-fledged courses explaining these things and actually, practically showing how these things actually work and opening these accounts and all of this other stuff. It is a whole video on its own. It could take like 2 hours, and I have it in my private mentorship, my private group. So if you're somebody and you look to take this Forex very seriously and you need somebody who is going to, give you directives and, work with you 24/7, you can always count on me. I'll put you on a live Zoom meeting. We're going to talk. We're going to go through your troubles, and I'm going to also, share your screen with you and be able to dissect your problems in the most convenient way. So it is me and you working hand to hand. It's not just a bunch of videos for you to watch. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned.